Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the sheriff from Cars. So first we're going to get started on the left-hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in an arch line, bringing that down. We're going to move across now on the right, bringing this diagonal line up, and then curving that down as we come in towards the side. And then again, as we step further down one more time, we're going to curve this line around and then back down towards the bottom. Now from here in the center, we're going to draw in a small oval. For the lights on the car now, we're going to draw in a big oval on the right-hand side. And then we're going to come over on the left and replicate that. Now coming in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. And then we're going to connect this together on the side. From here on the left, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that over and in towards the top. And then now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line, and we're going to leave an even amount of space as we come all the way over, replicating that. Now moving underneath for the mouth, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. We'll draw a small diagonal line that comes in. And then from that point, let's curve this line over and across. Let's continue the bumper across now. So we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then now from here, as we come up on a diagonal from the left, we're going to curve this line over and in towards the corner. Now let's close this off on the bottom. So we're going to start back on the bottom, arching this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on that center line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then back up. Let's draw in the tire now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle, curving this line around and then in underneath. We're going to step in again and replicate that. And then one more time in the center, closing off the circle. Let's move underneath on the right. We're going to curve this line around and then back up. Now let's close off the top of the head. So for where the eyes are going, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve a small line that comes up. And then we'll come across on the right, lining that up at the same height, arching that line down. Let's close this off on the top now with a curved line from left to right. In the middle, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. And then again, leaving a small gap, we're going to replicate that over on the right. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up and over on both sides. Now for the pupil, on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we're going to come in on the corner on the right and replicate that. On the top left, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then stepping beside that, we're going to draw in a small arch line. Now coming across on the right, we're going to draw in another circle, connecting that on that line. And then moving underneath, we're just going to arch this line down towards the bottom. Now let's come behind and draw in the side of the car. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over. We're going to leave a small gap coming up, bringing that line back out again. Now from here, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we're going to bring this line in towards our wheel. Let's move up now. We're going to draw in another diagonal line, closing that off. On the top here from this corner, we're going to curve this line down. Now on the side, we're going to arch this line up towards our top line. And then moving back again, we're going to replicate that, bringing that down towards the bottom. Now from here, closing off the top of the hood, we're going to bring this line up. Let's curve this line over towards the right. We're going to bring a small diagonal line that comes down. And now from that point, let's arch this line out and then back in. And then again from here, we're just going to curve this line down towards the top. On the left-hand side for the window, we're going to arch this line up. On the top, let's curve this line over towards the left. And then from that corner, we're going to curve this line back down on the bottom. Now on the top, we're going to, on the left-hand side, draw in a nice big circle. And then we're going to come over on the right, replicating that. Now in the middle on the top, we're going to draw in a siren. So we're going to curve this line out. We're going to bring this line over towards the right. And then again from here, we're just going to arch this line down. And then in the middle, we're going to curve this line across. And that is it. That's how you draw the sheriff from Cars. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.